When you have to prepare the orders to be shipped, there are many things you need to check, such as the shipping company that was chosen, and the company by which the payment was made to confirm that it was received. This is a time-consuming task, as you have to open the orders one by one and check these details. That's why we want to show you in this video how to search for all your WooCommerce orders by billing or shipping company using the WooCommerce Orders Spreadsheet plugin. This plugin displays all your orders and their complete information on a spreadsheet. You can see the values just as you would in Excel or Google Sheets. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. To search for your orders by billing company, you need to open the search tool. Then, tickle here to enable the advanced filters. Select the billing company field here. Now select equal. And enter the company name here. For this example, we'll enter Square. Finally, run the search and the orders processed through Square will be displayed in the spreadsheet. If you need to review all the orders you'll ship with a specific shipping company, you can do it quickly by opening the search tool. Tickle here to enable the advanced filters. Select the shipping company option. Now select equal. And enter the shipping company name. In this case, we'll search for UPS. Finally, run the search, and all orders to be shipped via UPS will be displayed. Another functionality you have with the search tool is that you can search using several fields as search parameters. For example, we will search for all orders that were paid through Square, and will be shipped by UPS service. Once the search tool is open, enable the advanced filters. Let's select the billing company first. Select equal and enter Square. Add a new search field here to enter the shipping company. Select equal and enter UPS. Finally, execute, and all the results will be displayed in the spreadsheet. Definitely, using the WP Sheet Editor plugin will optimize your work, and you will be more efficient when sending your orders. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, as well as the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.